still on the old four-wheel. And coming out of the darkness, here comes Double Trouble up over Double Trouble on the school bus is on the back. Let's see what he does. I hope you got a picture of that. That was nice. And again, coming out of the dark, there's California Kid. Now, hitting that jump punch. And just jumped it over. Over the school bus on the backside. Down the punch straightaway. For California Kid. Let's see if he goes after the school buses up there. Goes up and has a look. Rock on good, coming down the front.
What a great show. Say Rockstar's doing all he can to get that thing upside down for you. Come on down the other night, come get some autographs, check out these guys, they'll be back here again tomorrow night. What a fantastic monster truck show. These guys are getting big air here tonight.